So why the heck do they need to do a PMS at the first 1,000? What exactly are they going to do to our Veloz? And how is your experience in your branch? So let's start. Okay. Hey guys. So I'm here right now in Toyota BGC, and I wanted to make this video because I am at my first PMS, right, for my Toyota Veloz. What I really like about the Toyota care here was that they were the ones that called me siguro mga a couple of days back at siguro mga 700 pa lang ako nun, at saka kita mo sakto halos pa 1,000 na talaga ako. So I'm doing my first 1,000, and siguro like a couple of initial tips siguro para sa akin, no? Number one, get your My Toyota PH app, right? So you can see here I have my Toyota PH app, and yung kasama kasi sa akin is, you can see here, is my first 1,000 check-up, 5,000, 10,000, 15, and 20. Couple of questions. Di ko alam if I'm going to have to pay something, right? So, alam naman natin yung mga free. Baka naman hindi talaga free yan, right? So, that's why I'm making this video, no? I just made this initial video. Usap tayo in a while para malaman natin if free ba talaga to. Diba? So, let's see. Siguro may initial tip is magdala ka lang ng bag, kasi usually lahat ng mga personal items pinapatanggal nila sa kotse, no? I'll also try to find out how long this is gonna take and what is the things that they're gonna do for the first 1,000. Ako, my only complaint sa car ko is well, itong sa side, I don't know what you call it, door or whatever, parang medyo nakaangat siya. Ganun rin siya sa right side, and yung Android ko, yung CarPlay connector, parati siyang disconnect as well. Okay? So, yan na po tayo. Nandito po tayo sa Toyota BGC, no? So, good luck sa akin. Okay, for this part, guys, medyo nahiya ako to record inside, right? So, but I'll guide you guys through the whole process, no? So once you're parked, ako, my appointment was actually 9 o'clock, no? Pero I arrived there mga 9:30, right? This date was around, I think, December 14, no? Something like that, no? So pagpasok mo here in Toyota BGC, you have to go here first, right? You have to go here to the reception area, right? One of these nice ladies will guide you, and they will assign you a service advisor. So as soon as I got here, I gave them my number, my confirmation, my name, and siguro mga after 10 minutes, they assigned me si Sir Eric, right? And his desk was actually here, and then from there, I brought up all the issues that I discussed earlier. So I spoke about that issue on the door, right? And then I brought up the sound issue as well, no? So once he takes all of that in, he goes outside and he fixes your car for you, no? So they place this cover, right? The seat cover, and then they place a floor sheet cover as well, no? Para at least hindi masyado madumihan yung kotse mo, and then he makes sure that most of your personal items are removed from the car, right? And then of course, you show him all those issues, and then he verifies it, and then you turn over your key, you go back inside, no? So once we were back inside, he printed out this repair order that he showed me. So you can see here, so this is exactly the breakdown, no? So nandito yung, so my time appointment was at 9, this was December 14 nga, no? And then I arrived there nga mga 9:30. So just to let you know, I removed a lot of the stuff here, so at least yung mga personal information ko, no? But this is what we wanted to go over, okay? So you can see here that there's a checkup, so there's a charge for that. There is oil that they placed. You know, there's a lot of questions with regards to, okay, gusto mo ba mag-synthetic oil? Here, they're actually doing semi-synthetic. And here, there's actually a charge here for the oil as well, no? I was asking him, you know, bakit kailangan palitan na yung oil filter, and all of these other stuff? Especially when you have a new car, either, you know, there might be some remnants of dirt coming from the factory or was in the yard for a long time, so you want to flush that out, right? So that's why they do the change oil right away, you know, even though it's just 1,000, no? So you've got the assembly, the gasket as well here. So this 2,900, guys, I'm very happy to say wala tayong kailangang bayaran dito, right? So I confirmed that right away. And then here, he also placed in the request that I mentioned, no, the cell phone cable. Pag-connect sa radio, nang di-disconnect madalas, mga every 5 minutes, mga ganon. Okay? So he noted it here. Once again, guys, don't forget to note it. The one in the door, he did not note it na because we actually went to 2 other Velozes in the area and they all had that same issue, no? So, yung parang medyo hindi siya lapat masyado sa door. So, he said like, you know, that's how they all are. Unfortunately, ganun talaga. Okay? So, hindi na siya masyado sinama. Okay? So, from here on, I asked, you know, how long will it take? Honestly, I didn't want to rush him. Sabi ko, just let me know pag tapos na. Okay? Pero sabi niya more or less mga 2 hours lang naman yan. Okay? But on normal days, it might take a little bit longer if there's a lot of people. Okay? So, my suggestion to you is, guys, go around the Toyota that you're in. So, ako, syempre, the first thing that I did was I actually went here to the parts, right? I was kind of curious about what other parts that we can get for our Veloz within the Toyota service area, no? So here, just to let you know, these are some of the items that you can buy there. So you've got the engine undercover, the scuff plate. I'll just leave this here, no, screenshot nyo na lang. Okay? Now, kung once you're done with that, you can actually hang out here. There's a lounge area here wherein they are actually showing mga videos, mga movie that you can watch, no, while waiting, right? They also have, I think this is in all Toyotas, right? And I saw this in Toyota Alabang as well. They do have like a virtual racing as well, no? So you can play that for a while. Now, the other one is here in BGC, you can actually go up to the second floor. So you can see here in the second floor, pag akyat mo, they have a small cafe, no? So, dito sa small cafe na to, well, number one, libre yung kape. So, ako, I wasn't that hungry because I already ate breakfast. So, my suggestion is, if you want, kumuha ka lang ng kape, find the table, and then that's what I did. Nagtrabaho na lang ako, right? So, this is like how much the food is here. Medyo mahal, right? So, it's really up to you guys. Like I mentioned, ako, nagkape na lang ako kasi libre naman yung brewed coffee nila. Okay, habang nagtrabaho ako. So, my car finished around 11 a.m. But they actually do a car wash and a general cleaning for the car as well. So, natapos na siya mga 11:30, right? So, as you can see here, nilinis talaga nila yung kotse as well, right? So, overall experience, it was very good. Like I mentioned, I arrived there around 9:30 and natapos kami mga 11:30. But once again, this was on a December 14th. It wasn't as loaded. So my suggestion to you guys is they normally tell me, try to be there by around mga 8 a.m. because the service center opens at 8 a.m. No, but just once again, just book it properly. no? And you'll actually see it in your app as well that nag-update na rin yung app, no? And then lalabas yung service checkup mo as well as the amount paid as well, no? Quote unquote paid, no? Kasi libre yan, pero they still place a value to that, no? So once again, you can see here, these are all of the free checkups, no? So that this is the first 1,000, no? There's also the 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, and 20,000. You know, my suggestion is use this, right? Since as we've confirmed, libre naman siya. I'll try to give some updates on what happens with the 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. So, quick video lang to, guys. I just wanted to share my experience. And once again, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll update you guys on the other 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, and 20,000 as well in the upcoming videos. I also have a mileage video. Umakyat po kami ng Sagada ng pamilya. So that was something like 1,000 plus kilometers. I'll show you how the Veloz does climbing up Sagada, yung mga medyo matarik talaga na paakyatan. I'll talk about that. I'll show it. I took a video of it as well. And I hope you guys get to see that video. And once again, mga ka-Veloz, thanks for subscribing and I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Ingat!